Excellencies and representatives of the diplomatic corps, representatives of the CAP CSA member countries, industry partners, sponsors, invited guests, and ladies and gentlemen, Bulavinaka, and a very good evening to all of you. I hope you're all enjoying yourselves this evening. And tonight's function is really for you to relax and enjoy and wind down after the 2 days of discussions and meetings. From what I understand, the 2 days have been very constructive, and we've been told that there are quite effective outcomes that are for consideration by all the member states. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we want you all to enjoy the Fijian hospitality that we are renowned for, and the blend of our unique cultures. Earlier you saw the beating of the retreat, and I hope you actually enjoyed it. And this is something that is unique to Fiji, and we hope that you will take these memories back with you. Many of you will be going on technical tours tomorrow, where you'll get to experience some more of our culture and see the giant clam sanctuary and the marine protected areas. And at the same time, you'll be able to enjoy some of the activities on the two islands. On this occasion, ladies and gentlemen, there have been many firsts. And this was the first UNWTO Secretary General's Joint Commission meeting. It was the first time for the Pacific region to host a UNWTO meeting, and it has been the first time for Fiji to host all of you. I'd like to categorically state at this time that this will definitely not be the last. Our cooperation, ladies and gentlemen, with the UNWTO and its member states is stronger than ever before, and Fiji plans to host more of UNWTO meetings and seminars and dialogues in the coming months if we are given the opportunity to do so. To all the delegates that are here, I hope you do return and take a full appreciation of what Fiji has to offer to our valued guests. And at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank all the member states and the UNWTO for accepting our offer last year to host the 30th Joint Commission's meeting. And also, a big thank you to all our Pacific Island neighbors who joined us at this particular meeting. And I hope you have all enjoyed yourselves in your stay in Fiji, and I hope that you'll all return soon. I also wish to take this opportunity to thank all our partners and sponsors for the valuable contributions which made this event possible. To our sponsors, Carpenters, Fiji Limited, and the Platinum sponsors who also supplied the bottled water for the whole event. So all in all, I wish you all the international delegates a safe journey home, and sincerely hope that you will take back fond memories with you and be back soon with your families and yourselves to enjoy your holidays. Thank you very much.